Hello Dave, this is my video recording for test 2. Well, my final test for Java. My name is Gamaliel Romualdo, so I hope you enjoyed. You said that you just wanted to see the main thing, so I'm gonna be pretty straightforward with this. I made it like twice right now, and I'm always get over the 8 minutes, so I'm gonna be pretty straightforward. I got my main activity right here. I got the text views, the buttons, the recycle trigger, as you can see. I got my important thing that is my DB right here, calorie tracker DB, that I'm gonna show you how it works just in a little bit. I got my own create method. I got my initialization for the DB, my initialization for everything, my UI references, everything pretty straightforward. This is how I handle my incoming date, my dates, if dates is null, everything like that. I got my load date data. I got my change date buttons, my add foot buttons. This is just buttons, basically history buttons. My button reset that you're gonna see that is my risk privacy right there. So I got my pick date, my void to pick the date. I got my void to load the date data, my while to take everything that I need. So I got my food items, put it in a list. Everything's pretty straightforward. My adapters. I got my swap to delete. This one is pretty cool because you can, swap it to delete the stuff that I want. I'm gonna show you like in a little bit. Just don't worry. I got my on move, my on swipe, and this one is how it works basically. That is on child draw. That it's basically knowing when you swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, and this one is just drawing a trash icon. Pretty straightforward. This one is a void that I use just to delete the food item from the DB. Pretty cool. Then I have my DB right here. So I start with my static finals that are my database name and my database versions, my initializations, my on create that I just, as you can see, that my execute SQL. I create my actually I create my database. I got my methods like the on upgrade to drop the tables. I got my inserts or get dates. I got my insert foods. I got my get foods by day. I got my update total. That this one is actually a little bit more professional that I did, and actually calculate the calories multiplied by quantity. I got my delete food. I got my get day total, and I got my get all days. Then I have my add food activity. This one is the activity that I use to add the foods. I got my meal types that is just an array of breakfast, lunch, array of strings that I'm gonna use later, and you're gonna know why. My cancel button, my save button, everything's pretty straightforward. Food adapter, same thing. It's just an adapter to take the food and pass it to the add food activity, and then this one pass it to the main activity. I got my food item that is important because it's the item. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple. I got my history activity. Same thing. It's an activity that I use to see all the history and the load history that I'm gonna show you how it works a little bit now. History adapter. Same thing has the food adapter. History item. Same thing has the food item. I just store it in different places because this one is an item for the history, and it's not like an actual food item. Get my loading activity is just the delay of 3 seconds too. Pretty straightforward. Main activity I just show you. I got my privacy activity. It's just the privacy that you can see right here. Privacy agreement. If it's accepted once, it's gonna be accepted for ever and ever. And then you got my splash activity. 3 seconds delay. Pretty straightforward too. And my swipe decorator. That this one just decorate the swipe, the delete swipe that I just talked about it. Then I have my samples, but I don't think you want to see that. To be honest, it's just samples. So let's go to the fun. I got my privacy agreement right here. It says this app stores your color information locally on your device, everything that you have to know. So I'm gonna click I agree. So today it's Monday, Monday 8th of 12 of 2025. As you can see right here, right there, I can change it for whatever I want, like the 10. I don't have anything. I'm gonna go to 8 again, and I'm gonna add a meal. So you can take the meal type that as I showed you right there. This one is just like an array of elements. I'll take, I don't know, lunch, and I put chicken breast, and then after that I'm gonna put the calories that is, let's say that is 200 calories, and I took one portion of that. I'm gonna save it, and you're gonna see it right here like a list. So with that I took rice, and I took 140 calories rice, and I took 2 portions. It's gonna multiply the 140 calories for the two portions. It's gonna give you 480 because it's actually calculating all you have in that day. Let's say one more snack, protein shake, calories 120, and I took one quantity. Perfect. I'm gonna change it again to the 10, just to show you how it works. One snack more, rice cake, 100 calories, quantity, let's say 300 calories. I'm gonna change it again to the 8. Boom, it's stored in a database. If I go here, storing in the database, and I'm gonna show you how to delete the stuff. If I swipe it to the left, it's deleted. It's gone forever and ever. And if I want to see my history, I'll check my history. Right here's my history. I got the 10, 9, and 8, and 7. If I go to the 7, it's gonna say what I ate in the 7. If I go to the 10, what I ate on the 10, what I ate in the 9, and what I ate in the 8. Yeah, that's basically all I have for you today, Dave. Thank you. I appreciate you too much about giving us this class. I genuinely love Java, to be honest, and like all of the Android things. So I think you're doing pretty well for like the first time that you are actually teaching this course. So yeah, Dave, thank you. I hope you have a Merry Christmas, and I hope you see you one day at one time. Thank you.